And there is Untie My Shoe in the hot July. How are you, Untie My Shoe? It is warm these days. You want a hug? Untie My Shoe always wants a hug. He likes my hugs. She likes my hugs. She's having babies somewhere again. Okay. The dogs want a hug. And this is the cousin. The cousin is a wildcat. Alright. Enough summer updates. We'll be back on time, I should, right? Yes. You're a beautiful cat. A beautiful cat. You're so thin. Okay, go in the shadow. Go in the shadow. Yes, scratch yourself. See you later.